Hello to Piper, Kennedy, Easton, Jackson, Michaela, Layla, Eli, Braden, Charlie, Caden, Brody, Avon, Logan, Griffin, Brennan, Grayson, Allie, Caleb, Mason, Mia, Maya, Miles, Georgia, Sierra, and Brooklyn. And to all the parents, hello, and once again, thank you for all of your work that you did last week and all the work you'll be doing this week. It was great to see all of you at the parade, those that were able to come by. That was fun. Here I just have a couple new websites that I'm going to show you how we're going to use if your kids have questions or if you're helping them and you need some assistance. The first one for reading this week, we're going to be reading a play. We're going to be using a website called Padlet. So each day after they listen to the scene or read the scene, they are going to be asked to respond in our class Padlet. So they'll just click here. And it's just a discussion board. It's all words and they type it. And then just right down here, there's a plus sign that they would click on. And when they click on that plus sign, a new box pops up for them. In grammar this week, we're going to be using a website called Flocabulary. And it's a website we've used whole group. They haven't used it on their own. And once again, I've attached two files here. This one says quiz, so they don't ever worry about the quiz till the last day of the week. So when they click on their Google Slides, sorry, my internet's slow right now. Vocabulary, they'll just click on the link for the first day. It'll bring them there. It's going to ask them to log in with Google or log in with Google Classroom. They'll just click both of those things, whichever one it says. I can never keep track. Click on my name here. If I go to the lesson, each day they'll be assigned either a video or vocabulary game or read and respond, and that'll all be on the slides for you. On math this week, I had a lot of kids who over here were just only completing the practice, and those practice slides are really hard to complete if they didn't learn anything with me. So I titled them Learn and Practice. So on the learning side, we're going to be using a website, ABCia. It needs Adobe Flash Player, so I'm going to show you how just to easily make sure that you can allow that or your kid can allow that to work. We're going to be comparing fractions this week, which ones are equal, which ones are greater than, less than. So right down here where it says click to enable, you're going to click yes, just click right on the puzzle piece. And then after you click it, you'll just say allow you want to run Flash. And then on this website, I'll be using it every day and so will they. They'll be using these manipulatives. And you just X out of the instructions, fractions, and now they have all these fraction bars that they get to use to compare pieces. And that's really all the instructions I have for this week. Thank you for those of you who are checking in and asking any questions. I appreciate it, and then I'm there to help. Make sure that you're all staying safe, but also getting some fresh air and having fun, and try to maybe break up the monotony of this quarantine that it is. Once again, thank you to all the parents. I know you guys are all working your jobs and all doing all the normal things that you would have to anyways. So I greatly, greatly appreciate all of your work and all of your assistance you're giving.